Today, we're diving into one of the most overlooked contributors to organizational risk: unused software. Over time, applications accumulate across endpoints, creating hidden pathways for attackers and inflating your attack surface. Spektion makes it easy to uncover what's no longer in use, prioritize what to remove, and reclaim control over your environment. One way we can get a look at the unused software in our environment is via the software inventory page. Simply sort by the unused column and click the corresponding hyperlink to see all endpoints on which that software is currently installed but has not been executed. For even more visibility and export options, we can leverage Report Generator to create custom-tailored unused software reports, either by using predefined templates or by grabbing a comprehensive breakdown of every piece of unused software across every endpoint in our estate. Report Generator opens the door to even more versatility. Unused software may seem harmless, but every dormant application represents a potential attack vector. Spektion gives you the clarity and control needed to stay ahead by helping you track what's in use, retire what's not, and maintain a strong security posture across your entire environment. Want to see more? Visit our website at spektion.com to book a demo today.